New video of Angular. So in this video we are going to quickly set up Angular in our machine. The three things that we would need in our machine to proceed ahead would be VS Code, Node.js and Angular, right? Angular CLI. So let's begin with downloading VS Code. So as you all know, VS Code is a code editor that is like widely used to write our code, as simple as that. So you can go to this official site of Visual Studio Code, and from here you can download the software with respect to your operating system. In my machine it's already downloaded, so I will not install it, but the steps are pretty simple as like whatever the software you install, so accordingly you need to install that in your system. So the next step is to install Node.js. So as you all know, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. So JavaScript runs on a browser as it contains a V8 engine. So in a simple manner, that V8 engine is directly put into this particular Node.js software so that we can run JavaScript and TypeScript in separate environment as well. So let's suppose if you want to run JavaScript or TypeScript in VS Code, then it is possible because we would be installing this. So for installing this, pretty simple. Let's go to Node.js site. You can just type in on Google. I have already reached there, but yeah, let me show you from where you can go. You can go to this Node.js official site, and from here, let it load. Yeah, so from here you can go to this downloads, and from here you can download the Node.js package uh, based on your operating system. So once this is downloaded and installed, post that, you can check the node version in your system by opening the terminal, and you can write here node-v, which will give you the current version, which is, for me it is v22.16.0. So for you it might be different based on when you are installing this node, but yeah, doesn't matter. Any version, any latest version or something like that near to that would help. So I have already installed that, so I will not do that step again, but yeah, this is the step to install Node.js. And the third thing is to install Angular. So for that, let me show you that quickly. So here is my Angular, here's my VS Code installed, and I have created a folder called as Angular. So from here I can install the Angular as well. But instead, if I want to install Angular globally, which means if I install Angular at this folder, then Angular would be only accessible, or it would be only confined to this particular folder itself. But if I want to make it globally, so which means any folder, any number of folders, if I open, I would be able to access Angular. So for that, what we can do, ignore this VS Code. We can directly go to this, sorry, we can directly go to this terminal, and here we can write few commands which I will tell you. So we can go to this Angular installation and hit this thing, right, which is npm install -g @Angular CLI. So what this will do is, as it contains this -g, which means global, so this will install your Angular CLI. So Angular is something like command line interface, which we would be using more often to create components and so on. I'm just going, I think, out of the context, but yeah, this is something will install Angular in your global machine. So in any of the folder, it would be accessible. So let me hit this. It will take some time, and then it will install it in your machine, and it would be globally installed. Okay, so it will show error in case of Mac. So for this, what you can do, uh, before npm you can write sudo, right? So with this, it will ask for the password once you hit this, and then it would be installed in your system as well. Yeah, I say it's installed here after sudo This is what the things are happening. And let me just clear this, or else it will create a confusion, right? So yeah, it's installed now. So now if you want to quickly check if that is installed properly or not, you can just hit here a command which is ng version, which will give you this thing, right? So here is that. So here it has given us the entire history, right? Entire, I would say, the details. Angular CLI, which is 20.0.1. So this is the current version, or I would say the Angular version which is installed. This is a node version, this is a version of package manager, and so on, right? So yeah, we are all set. I mean, we have installed the prerequisite, I would say, to work with Angular, and we are good to go. Now in the next video, let's create a project of it, right? So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.